Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So today I'm going to be creating this look. You see, this is a Valentine's Day inspired look, and this look is filled with lots of red and lots of glow. So if you want to be glowing for Valentine's Day or any other day, then keep on watching. Valentine's Day. I'm going to start off with my eyes today, and I'll be using this shade, and I'm going to be applying it all over my crease as my transition shade. So I just spread that all over my crease, and I'm going to go in with a mixture of this color and also this color. I'm just going to mix it together and apply it all over my crease also. So to get more precision in my crease, I'm going to be using this shade, and I'm also going to be using this bullet brush, and I'm just going to be applying a teensy bit on my crease. Now I'm done with that. I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush and just blend everything together. I'm going to cut my lid in a half moon shape. Now that I'm done with my crease, you can see it's not very precise, but it doesn't have to be, because I just want the precision to be at the top so I can create my halo eyes. So now I'm going to go in with a mixture of this color and this color, and just going to apply it on the outer corners and the inner corners. First, I'm going to tap it. So if you notice the way I'm tapping it, I'm tapping it in a V shape, like leaving just the middle, because I'm going to pop in shimmer. Wow guys, the worst thing just happened right now. I had no idea that I wasn't filming the eyeshadow tutorial, some part of it, so I really don't know what I'm going to do, but this was what I did. I used this shade in the middle of my eyes, then I went in with this shade just at the outer corners here, then I blended this red all over my eyes. Once again, it's a very simple look, and I'm really sorry that I didn't see that my camera wasn't filming. I'm really sorry. So I'm just going to go on with the tutorial and hope that you guys understand what I explained. I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera, and I'll be right back. So for Valentine, you want your makeup to be looking beat and you want it to last. So what I do is I use my argan oil. This gives my face that moisturized feel. I've already primed my face, so after that I'm going to be using my powder. This is going to be a tricky step. I'm going to use my beauty blender, and just take a tiny bit of the powder and press it into my skin. Now what this does, it gives my foundation a more fuller coverage, because this Maybelline foundation is like light to medium coverage, so this step gives my foundation more coverage and also helps my makeup last longer. So I've just primed my skin with this argan oil, and now I'm going to apply the powder on the places I get oily. So you want to make sure you use a damp sponge, because it helps to really put that powder into the skin very well and makes it work better. So you see how matte this face, the side is. I avoided my under eyes because I always get oily around there.
So I dotted the foundation all over my face, and now I'm just using my sponge to blend everything together. I decided to apply my falsies before I move on to continue and finish my foundation routine. I like these false lashes because it looks so natural and beautiful and perfect for the occasion.
So I just applied my concealer on where I want it to be. Now I'm going to go and blend it on. Okay, now I'm going to go on and set my face with this powder puff and powder. Ooh, that's a lot. Not what I planned though, but I think I put too much. I wanted to set my face before I bake. Oh. Going to contour with my Zaron Face Definer in this shade. Gonna contour the hollows of my cheek. I'm just going to contour slightly on my nose and on my forehead. Going to add in blush right now to the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to dust off the excess powder from my face. I'm going to be highlighting now with this shade. I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones, my brow bone, the bridge of my nose, and also on my cupid's bow. Now that we're glowing for the gods, it's only right if we just apply our lipstick and be done with the look. And this is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then like it, subscribe to my channel, and also share it to anyone you think might be interested in this tutorial, this Valentine's Day tutorial. And I hope you recreate this look, and you can always tag me on my social media so I can see what looks you create. And that's it, guys. Bye.